Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show how to install TIBCO BusinessWorks Container Edition. In order to download the software, you need to create an account in TIBCO Access Point and locate BusinessWorks Container Edition for Developers software, which is a free version for 90 days. Agree the license and go to the download page. You can download Windows, Unix, or Mac version of the software. I have downloaded the Windows version. Extract the zip folder and locate the .exe file, which is the installable. Installation can be done in three modes: GUI mode, console mode, and silent mode. I will show you GUI mode here. Double click on the installer.exe and you'll see the welcome screen. Click next and choose the appropriate options. Give any inputs that are required. If you have a TIBCO home created already, you can choose the TIBCO home. Otherwise, create a new TIBCO home. Ideally, C TIBCO is the TIBCO home, but you can choose whichever drive you would like and select the custom installation and click design and Maven plugin and click next to see the pre-installation summary. And this will take some time to install the product, and you will see the post installation summary once the product is installed successfully. Once installation is complete, you are ready to use TIBCO BusinessWorks Container Edition. In console mode, you need to execute the exe from command prompt, whereas in silent mode, you need to create a silent file where you will give all the inputs that are required for the installation and execute the command. And you can refer to TIBCO access point using these URLs. Stay tuned.